everyone, this is Subhashri and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very unique, tasty yet super easy way of making chole ki sabzi. So please do try the recipe this way and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. My channel all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. To make the chole, first we have to pressure cook the chole or the chickpeas. For that, here I have taken 1.5 cups of chickpeas or chole. Comes to about 300 grams that I have soaked overnight. If you're in a time crunch and you forget to soak overnight, then soak it in hot water for 2 to 3 hours. So now I'm adding the chole. To that, I'm going to add 3 cups of water. So use the same cup that you use to measure the chole. So for 1.5 cups of chole is 3 cups of water. And now we will add a little bit of salt and then pressure cook this for about 4 whistles. There's been 4 whistles, so now we will check to make sure our chickpeas or chole is completely cooked. So we are taking, so here you can see, and it gets really nicely mushed between the fingers. So now we will set this aside and start making our gravy. First, we are going to fry the onions and the ginger garlic. For that, here I have 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, all our whole spices, 3 green chilies, 2 bay leaves, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 6 cloves, 5 green cardamoms, 2 medium onions, 300 grams finely chopped, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm adding the oil. Wait for the oil to be heated up before adding the whole spices. The oil is now hot, so we will add the whole spices, green chilies, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, cloves and the green cardamoms, and we will fry this for 30 to 40 seconds till we get a nice aroma from the spices. Now we will add the finely chopped onions and we will fry this till the onions caramelize and turn light brown. So the onions have now turned light brown. Now we will add the ginger garlic paste and we will fry this at a medium-low flame for 3 to 4 minutes till we no longer get any raw smell of the ginger garlic. Next, we are going to make our masala. For that, here we have 2 medium tomatoes, 240 grams finely chopped, all our dry powdered spices, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder. You can also use regular red chili if you want more heat. Some salt as per taste and coriander leaves. It's been 3 minutes and I'm no longer getting any raw smell of the ginger garlic. Now I will add the finely chopped tomatoes. We will also add the dry powdered spices, turmeric powder, coriander powder, the roasted cumin powder and the chili powder, and mix all of this really well together and saute this for 1 to 2 minutes at a medium flame. It's been 2 minutes. Now we will add some salt as per taste. We also added some salt when we pressure cook the chickpeas, so just be mindful of that. Now we will mix this well and next we will cover this with a lid and let this cook till the tomatoes become completely soft and we can see the oil separating out. The tomatoes have now become completely soft and as you can see the oil is separating out. Now we will add a bunch of coriander leaves and mix this well. And now add the cooked chickpeas or chole and again mix this well and cook this without covering for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will cover this with a lid and let this cook for 4 to 5 minutes or till the water comes to a boil. Based on how much gravy you prefer, you can add a little bit of additional water at this stage, completely your preference. So we will let this cook till the water comes to a boil. The water has now come to a boil and our chole is ready to serve. It's a really tasty and easy dish, and you can enjoy that with roti, naan, paratha, or a hot bowl of rice. Please do try this recipe and I hope you enjoy it, and thank you so very much for watching my channel.